Hey guys, today I am making my take on cured salmon. This is a favorite of my wife's, so I make it often. I start off with 1 cup of kosher salt and 1 cup of sugar, 1 bunch of fresh dill. I like to remove the stems, but you don't have to. I finely chop the fresh dill. Once finely chopped, I add it to the salt and sugar. Then I zest 1 medium lemon. And 1 large orange. With that, I do like to also add some dry dill and a bit of fresh ground black pepper. And mix to incorporate all the ingredients. The salmon of choice is a farmed salmon with the skin on and as center cut as possible. I like to wash and dry my salmon with paper towel before I start prepping. Now my piece has a tail part which I cut because it gets too dry for me and it makes for a great soup. Now we need 2 pans, one larger than the other, and some cling wrap. Place the cling wrap on the large pan and place the salmon skin side down. Now we can add the mixture onto the salmon. Make sure to cover thoroughly even on the sides. Make sure to get a thick covering because most of this is going to dissolve away. Before wrapping it up, I do add some orange slices. You don't have to if you don't want to. Once everything is incorporated, I wrap it up tightly, and with the smaller pan, I place on top with something heavy in it. After 24 hours, I remove and wash away the mixture. Now it's ready to eat. You can eat it right away, or you can put it back in the refrigerator for a later time. But it's important to remove the mixture to stop the curing process. The longer you leave it, the more it will get dry and the more concentrated flavors. And now this is how we like to eat our cured salmon. Before slicing it, I like to add some more orange zest. Then I slice on a steep angle to get larger pieces. Once you have the amount of salmon you want, cut up some red onions and slice up some tomatoes. Also, I like some capers on it. Now the assembly. Toast bagel, some cream cheese spread, desired amount of salmon, some tomatoes, some onions, capers, and of course, a little bit more zest. And voila! Cured salmon on a toasted bagel. Enjoy.